Hey everyone, it's Jared here, and today I'm going to talk about rethinking drum rudiments. This is something I absolutely love to do because it gets you to think a little bit outside the box. And I started doing this originally with the single paradiddle, and then I'm like, well, I should do this with other rudiments as well. And so it's something I think is a great thing for drummers who are kind of stuck in a rut, playing the same old feel all the time. This is something you can do to really get out of that rut and start building some more vocabulary. Okay, so what do I mean by rethinking drum rudiments? Basically, what we're going to be talking about is rudiments are natively written in a specific note value. For the most part, you'll see them in the same note value. So you have a single paradiddle. It's generally going to be written as 16th notes, maybe sometimes 8th notes as well. And what I did in the past was apply that 4-note grouping, or something that's written 16th notes, apply that within 16th note triplets. Now we have past lessons on that, so I'm not going to talk about that specific rudiment here. I want to talk about different rudiments. So the first one we're going to talk about is the triple stroke roll. Now a triple stroke roll is just right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, left, left. Natively, it's written as 8th note triplets or 16th note triplets. Okay? We're going to play it as 16th notes. Now, if we play the triple stroke roll as 16th notes, well, it's a 3-note grouping, so it's going to feel a little bit awkward, and it's not going to resolve properly, right? Because there's 16 16th notes per 1 bar of 4/4 music. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to end the bar different than we normally would. So we just end with one left hand or one right hand, depending on what hand you're leading with. Okay, so you'll see the sheet music. It's going to pop up right there. And you're going to see the sticking written above it. So you're going to see right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, out. Okay, so we're going to go really slow. It's at 60 beats per minute. And I'm just going to play it on the snare drum. And I'm going to stop after each bar to show you how it sounds. So that's something you can start with practicing. Once you get really comfortable playing this rudiment within 16th notes, you can start to apply it on the drum set as a fill. I'd start just on the snare drum and then work on orchestrations. And after you work on orchestrations, you can start working on dynamics. So I'm going to play it with that mindset, starting on the hi-hat, playing it as a fill on the snare, then moving it around the drums without much dynamics, and then eventually start to apply some of the dynamics in there. Here we go. So you can see how doing this is going to help you build vocabulary as well get you thinking outside of the box when writing new drum fills or trying to come up with unique drum patterns. So let's go on to the next one. The next one is using the double stroke roll, which is a 2-note pattern traditionally written as 8th notes or 16th notes. Now we're going to play this as 16th note triplets. Okay? So there's going to be 3 sets of double strokes per count. And this one's cool because it actually resolves using your weaker hand, or in my case, my left hand. And if you're leading with your left hand, it's going to resolve and end with your right hand. So what I like to do here is really get comfortable with the change between 16th notes and 16th note triplets. So I put on a metronome, and I'll play it on my legs. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 triplet and triplet 2 triplet and triplet 3 triplet and triplet 4 triplet and triplet 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 1 triplet and triplet 2 triplet and triplet 3 triplet and triplet 4 triplet and triplet 1. All right, so hopefully you're getting a sense for how it sounds as 16th note triplets. Once you get it to that point where you can go from 16th notes to 16th note triplets, we can just use that as a fill. The exact same way we learn the triple stroke rule. So we'll start just with the basic pattern, no dynamics or anything. Then we're going to work on some orchestrations. Just move your hands around the kit. Thirdly, we're going to start adding some dynamics. Here we go. After that, what you can try is just speeding these things up. So if I move up to 120, you can see the types of combinations that I'll start getting. So the next one I have for you is on the double paradiddle. Now a double paradiddle consists of 6 notes per side or 12 notes for the complete double paradiddle. So let's just say we take the 6 notes per side. Now I want to apply this as 32nd notes, which is pretty crazy, but don't be weirded out because we're going to play it nice and slow. Now 32nd notes, there's 32 of them in one bar of music, okay? So that's 32 notes. Now we need to divide that by 6, which is going to tell us that we need to play the double paradiddle 5 times. That's going to give us 30 notes. And we're basically going to end with a left, left. So take a look at the sheet music right there. So you see I'm going to play the double paradiddle, right, left, right, left, right, right. That's 1. Left, right, left, right, left, left. That's 2. Right, left, right, left, right, right. That's 3. Left, right, left, right, left, left. That's 4. Right, left, right, left, right, right. That's 5. And then we're going to end with a left, left. It's as simple as that. Now, you're seeing a bunch of notes, and so it just looks crazy. So it's best to you could even play this as 2 bars of 16th notes if you really wanted to simplify things. But I'm just going to play it as 32nd notes because I think it sounds really, really cool. So we're going to start on the snare, play it a couple times with no dynamics, just right on the snare drum. Then I'm going to orchestrate it. Then I'm going to add some dynamics. Here we go. And again, if we speed it up, it's going to sound very cool. So here it is at 90 beats per minute. The next rudiment I have for you is the flam accent. Now the flam accent is traditionally written as eighth note triplets. Today we're going to play it as 16th notes. So the rudiment traditionally goes right hand flam, left, right, left hand flam, right, left, right hand flam, left, right, left hand flam, right, left. Okay, we're going to play it as 16th notes. So it's going to end similar to how the triple stroke roll ended. It's going to end with one left-handed stroke, but that left-handed stroke is going to be flammed. So I'm going to play this for you guys with the same sequence in mind as I did with all the other rudiments. Here we go. The final rudiment I have for you is the Swiss Army triplet. Now the Swiss Army triplet doesn't change lead hands every time it resets. We're going to lead with the same hand every time. I like to play this one with my left hand lead just because it feels good when orchestrating it around the kit, but you can lead with your right hand if you want. So I'm going to be playing it left hand flam, left, right, left hand flam, left, right, left hand flam, left, right, left hand flam, left, right. You could play it the other way as well. Right hand flam, right, left. Right hand flam, right, left. I can play it both ways and it sounds great. I just prefer it with my left hand. So let's put it through the same system we put everything else through. And a little fun fact is the Swiss Army triplet is great for experimenting with the blushta, like this. So that is a lesson on rethinking drum rudiments. Now you can use these examples that I gave you. It's totally fine. They're great examples. Or you could just go and find another rudiment. Find like the triple radimacu, the double radimacu. The pataflafla is an amazing rudiment to do this with. Try and play it as 16th note triplets. And not only are you going to get better at learning the rudiments, but you're going to build your vocabulary and you're going to have a larger musical toolbox to pick from. When you need that specific fill for a specific song, you're going to have the technique, you're going to have the chops to actually do that. So thank you again, and I'll see you again very soon.